welcome back to my YouTube video. Now this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert it into a smart fan. A simple fan like this, probably you have one at home that lasts for almost 15 years already. How to convert it into a smart fan and incorporate into your Google Home. But in order to start off with, what you need is a remote controller for your fan, like this one here. I got it from internet, and it comes with a radio frequency controller. Okay, the wiring is a bit tricky because they do not use the common red, blue, green color. So it comes with the wiring diagram here. I hope you can see it. The white one is the common wire. The black are meant for the output fan, blue are meant for the light. Some modern ceiling fan comes with a light, so this ones are meant for the light. Okay, but in this case, our fan here, my fan here, does not have a light, so I only need these two wire. Okay, this is the input. So to start with, I'll need a connector. A common 15mm connector would do. This one is alright to be long since I do not have it was meant for protection purpose. So the common wire will be at the center, right? So this side is the input wire, and this is where the antenna located. These are the tools that I would normally use to install a ceiling fan. I have a dummy ceiling fan. It works. It's an old ceiling fan of mine, and I have set up here. This is how it looks like, the hook. Whatever up here, normally you won't see it. Okay, you need to see this hook. First thing first, you do not want to install the blade onto the rotor. Okay? You install the blade once your ceiling fan is hang onto your ceiling. Use a long nose plier, flatten this end, and then pull it out. Okay, remember to keep this aside. Make sure you know where is it when you need it later. Undo the nut on the floor. Okay, while this thing is set onto the floor, remove the rubber bush, place it, try your best to squeeze it into the hook, one end, and then you push it in. Okay, make sure it sits onto the glove nicely. The rubber bush are meant to help absorb the vibration caused by the fan. You need to climb up at least 9 feet or 10 feet before you can reach this hook. This is just a sample to give you an idea how it works. Oh, make sure you align your ladder in such a way that you are parallel to the hook to grab onto the rod on your fan, climb up closer to the ceiling near the hook. Another hand going to grab on this. Gently first make sure this plate is placed outside here, parallel to the rubber bush. Go in, and then your nut will hold it, and secure it. Then now you know it's secure, followed by the nut. You do not want to over tighten it until you squeeze onto this rubber bush, and then this rubber bush will fail. It will fail as a damper. It used to damp off any vibration. Depends on made and model. Here they use a 13mm socket. All I need to do is to tighten it. Now this is over tightened already. You see a side. You need to loose it out a little bit. Don't over tighten it, but not too loose. Ready? Not too tight. You can see that it is bent in a little bit. It's all right. Okay. Okay. This is good enough already. Safety wire. Wind around your hook. Make sure it's tight. And then normally you have a screw down here. You tie it into the screw. I would recommend the use of electric drill. A 4-inch length long drill bit is good enough. And then it comes with a magnetic tip, especially useful when you are 10 feet up the roof. Magnetic tip drill bit, it's going to be really handy. Turn it back in position. I like to use electric drill when it comes to installation of ceiling fan. This is a must-have tool. So now you have successfully hang the rotor onto the hook. Next is to connect the wire. Remember your safety pin. This is how it should look like up close. Green meant for earth. for safety purpose. It works, then only you install the fan blade. And then you install the fan blade. Next step would be to upgrade this fan into a smart fan by adding this tool up there. Alright, next step, I'm going to add this into here. Instead of direct connection, first I'm going to remove this cable. For safety purpose, make sure you have switched off the main for this fan. Remove the live wire, the ground, and remove the neutral wire. Okay? Input wire. So the black are meant for live. White means neutral. You may want to extend this wire if it's too short for your case. According to specification, white means neutral, black means brown. Okay? The earth wire remains as it is. Then here, white means blue, so white means blue. It's actually neutral. Black means brown. You may want to hide it up there in the ceiling, or you can push it up. You can hide it between this tab here. Right? This is broken. Let's turn on. Alright. You can hear the beep sound. And then if I were to turn on the light, I want to turn on the fan, on off. Oh, the light is not on. Probably, there you go. Remote control fan now. Low. Make sure you direct your regulator. There's no regulator required. You may want to remove your regulator, means you direct the cable, and you are using the remote control to control it. A wireless fan. Now next, I'm going to show you how to incorporate it with Google Home. If you have this device, radio frequency, you can be used to control this fan. In this video, I successfully shown you how to install a ceiling fan, and then how to convert it into a smart fan, and how to convert it into a wireless fan. But remember, you must remove the regulator. Do not install a regulator. You must direct it in your switch. Then you install this wireless remote control. The first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to my channel, press on the bell button, and I hope that you will watch all the advertisement. And lastly, remember the thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.